Hey, what's up people, and welcome to GPT Guitar. In this video tutorial today we are going to work over we are going to learn some vocabulary, especially of jazz lick that you're going to be able to play in different situations. It's going to be movable. If you know the key and where this line comes from, you're going to be able to move it. Let me tell you that if you want that when you learn a new lick, if you want that this lick become part of your vocabulary, and because you resonate with, I don't know, chromatism and jazz fusion vocabulary, what you have to do is you have to learn where the lick come from, where these notes come from. Okay, so if you know where it come from, could be any scale or arpeggio, then you're going to be able to move it to different situation. If you know, okay, for example, I know that this jazz line comes from the A minor pentatonic, okay, and so you can use it on any C major situation or any A minor situation, for example, okay. So that's what we are going to learn today. It's because it's going to be just one lick. I'm going to explain you where it comes from, leave everything on a PDF that you can download, and I'm going to show you how to put or how to play the same lick in different situations. Okay, the jazz line or this hot lick is constructed inside, or starting from the notes of G7 arpeggio. Okay, which arpeggio? Okay, I'm going to put now. You are going to watch on the screen the diagram that I use. It's like a kind of diagonal design of a G7 arpeggio, and it's very useful. It's very guitaristic, and it's so guitaristic. So it's going to be easy to learn and then to identify the notes that I'm using. The arpeggio is this. And the arpeggio belongs to G7. So what we know is that G7 is the 5th grade. If you don't know, just let me know, and I'm going to do a video about music theory and this kind of concept. So let's go in first to hear and watch the line, and then we are going to do the breakdown. A dominant chord is the 5th grade of a tonality of a key. In this case, it's the 5th grade of C. So I'm going to, I can use this lick, this line, okay, over any C major progression, over a static bump, G7, okay, on every D minor Dorian or E Phrygian or F Lydian or A minor Aeolian, okay, because all those chords comes from or belong to the C major scale, and I'm playing a line over, constructed over one of the arpeggios of the key of C major. So now let's break down the line, and then I'm going to play it over different situations. I'm going to put on the screen what I'm doing, on what key I am, and in what chord you should play the line. Everything is going to be on a PDF, so don't worry. Then you download, watch the video again and again and again until you get it. I'm starting here in this note of the is right where the arpeggio ends, and I'm going to start playing like a chromatic scale, following this this shape of the arpeggio. I'm playing all chromatic notes, okay? Watch this. Here I'm going to move, going to make a slide with my finger number 2 to play this, and then I follow playing here, okay, over this part of the arpeggio. So now let's listen this example in different group situations, and I hope that you like it. Okay, thanks for watching. Download the PDF, like, subscribe, and leave me your comments on the comment box, and see you in the next video. Thanks so much.